In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful new feature that we have for our inventory management program. So this new feature allows you to create master pick lists, and the purpose is so that your packers can go out and pull all of the products that are needed for those orders. It's a lot more efficient than going into each order, finding what you need, then backing back out to the orders, going to the next order, noting how much you want, and then adding these all up manually. That's a very time-consuming and error-prone process, and our software solves this problem. So let's just take the scenario where we have 4 orders in processing. So I'm just going to filter very quickly all of the orders in processing, select them all, and then I'm going to create a master pick list. So here's our pick list for 4 orders. We can view or download this. We go over to the pick list area. And now in the master pick list area, we have all of the products and the total quantity we need. And all you have to do at this point is assemble all the products and then scan them in and verify that that is exactly what you need. And then when you're done, all rows turn green and you know that you have everything that you need for those orders. Now at this point you can print it or you can export it to a CSV. You can print this to any printer that you want or even save it as a PDF. It's just as easy as that. So I'll put a download link for the Inventory Manager in the description below, and you can head on over and check out the features and everything else that this plugin can do. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thanks and have a good day.